Hi there, click the link below this video to access Coinbase. This is the platform where you can buy Bitcoin cryptocurrency. All you need do is to set up your account and you are good to go. When you are all set up, click on the blue tag buy/sell top right hand corner and you have the buying option drop down window. Here you decide how much Bitcoin you wish to purchase. In this case we are buying €100 worth of Bitcoin. When your Bitcoin account is set up, you will be asked to link your bank account or credit card with Coinbase. As soon as you enter the amount you wish to buy, €100, click on the blue Preview Buy button and you are taken to the details of the transaction. In this example you will see how much Bitcoin you are getting for your €100. Coinbase takes a small fee for handling the transaction, so all that is detailed on the transaction details page. Just go ahead and click the Buy Now button and you are done. So that is how you buy Bitcoin. As you can see, it's really a very simple process. Click the button below to get started. Talk soon.